Look at that. You know what I'm saying? Secluded areas out here, man. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody out here like me. You know what I mean? Talking about y'all go nature walks and all that, man. Look, man, look at this, man. Nobody out here. Feel me? I do what I want when I want. It ain't nothing to do it. It ain't nothing to it but to do it, man. You already know. I'm gonna start saying that more. Hey, it ain't nothing to it but to do it. You feel me? I'm out here though, man. Nature walks, man. Smoking the whiskey, man. You see it? Feel me? I'm in nature. You know how everybody be talking about nature? You know what I'm saying? Nature. It's nice. Look at that. Look at the sunlight. Look at the sunlight. Look at the... Take a little in there. Oh, what's those? Tables? Yes, sir. Skis. I can't say too much, man. I'm off the radar, man. That's all you need to know. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to whiskey, be in nature. Act like nobody be in nature. You know what I'm saying? Nature. Man, y'all see this? Nature, man. Y'all see these shots right here? Look at all these white flowers. Look at this one. Nature. Let's go over here. Nature. Hope I don't get bit by no snake or nothing, you feel me? Woo, you see that? Nature. Feel me? I'm gonna start posting stuff like this, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Let's get it. Look at that sunset. Look at that sunset. Nature. Y'all see nature? Nature. Look at that sunset.